Today we're going to be talking about an Australian fruit shake that will boost your immune system. And let me tell you, there is no other country on earth that has the amount of nutrient-dense fruits like we do here in Australia. And if you think about it, it makes sense because Australia is blessed with an abundance of sunshine, pure water and nutrient-rich soils which allow our plants and fruits to thrive. So in today's video, I want to share with you 5 of my favorite immune-busting fruits from around Australia and then show you how to blend them all together into one delicious shake that can help to supercharge your immune system. The first fruit is No. 5 on my list, and that is the Kakadu plum. Now, the Kakadu plum grows naturally all over northern Australia, and what makes this fruit so special is that it has the highest amount of vitamin C on earth. Yes, even more than the acerola cherry, which is another fruit that is high in vitamin C. And for every 100 grams of Kakadu plum, you get a whopping 3,300 milligrams of natural vitamin C. This is 40 times more than an orange. Now, a lot of people don't realize this, but there are different types of vitamin C. You've got the synthetic, which you'll find in tablets and capsules, and then you've got the natural kind, which comes from fruits like the Kakadu plum. And the truth is, they're both equally as effective at boosting our immune system, but one is just more easily absorbed by the body, and that's the natural version. Now, there's a few reasons why you should choose natural vitamin C over the synthetic kind. Firstly, it's already in a form that our bodies can absorb, so there's no need to convert it. Secondly, it contains all the cofactors, enzymes, minerals, phytonutrients that work together in perfect harmony to support our body. And lastly, it's less likely to cause any side effects because it's already in a whole food matrix. Next on the list, we have the finger lime. Now, finger limes are grown all over Eastern Australia, and they're also known as the caviar of the plant kingdom because of their unique texture inside. But what makes them so special? Well, firstly, they're full of antioxidants help to protect our cells against free radical damage. And secondly, they have antimicrobial properties that support our immune system. And studies have shown that these antimicrobials are effective against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Next up, we have the Davidson plum. Now, this fruit grows naturally all along the east coast of Australia, and what makes the Davidson plum so special is that it helps to support the good bacteria in our gut. We all know that our guts play a big role in our immune system, and studies have shown that 70% of our immune system is located in the gut. In fact, the food that we eat passes through 7 stages of digestion before it gets absorbed into our bloodstream, and during this process, it's broken down by billions of bacteria. These bacteria help us digest the food that we eat, especially the fiber from fruits and vegetables. And when these bacteria break down the fiber, they release something called short-chain fatty acids. These short-chain fatty acids are what feed the cells of our immune system, and they help to strengthen our immune response. So the more that we support the good bacteria in our gut, the stronger our immune system becomes. And this is where the Davidson plum comes in. It helps to feed the good bacteria in our gut, and it gives them what they need to keep our immune system strong. The fourth fruit on my list is the quandong. Now, the quandong is a small round fruit that grows on a small tree in the desert regions of Australia. It's often called the desert superfruit, and it has a long history of use by the Aboriginal people for its immune-busting properties. The quandong is packed full of antioxidants and vitamins that help to strengthen the immune system. And the best part is that it tastes delicious. It has a sweet and sour flavor that reminds me of a cranberry, and that's why I like to call it the Australian cranberry. Now, the fifth and final fruit on my list is not actually a fruit at all, but it's a nut, and that is the macadamia. Macadamias are grown mostly in the northern parts of New South Wales and Queensland. And what makes them so special is that they're packed full of healthy fats. These healthy fats help to strengthen the cell membranes in our body, which then strengthens our immune system. They also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals that help to boost the immune system. So now that we've covered the 5 special fruits, let me show you how to blend them all together into one delicious shake that can help to supercharge your immune system. To make the Australian immune shake, you will need 1 ripe avocado, 200 milliliters of berries that could be mixed berries or your favorite berries, 1 cup of leafy greens, either spinach or kale, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add all of these ingredients to your blender with 6 cups of water and blend until smooth. You can add more water if you like a thinner consistency. And if you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend giving it a go. When it comes to drinking your shake, the best time of day is first thing in the morning. This is when your stomach is empty and your body is ready to absorb all the nutrients. This shake is a great way to start the day because it will give you energy and boost your immune system. You may be wondering if this shake can replace supplements, and the answer is maybe. If you're already taking supplements, there's no need to stop. However, if you're not, then this shake is a great way to get all the nutrients you need. It's important to note that this shake is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. It's just a delicious way to get all the nutrients your body needs to stay healthy. So now let us talk about the benefits of each fruit in the shake and how they work together to support your immune system. First, we have the Kakadu plum. As I mentioned earlier, this fruit is packed with natural vitamin C, which helps to strengthen your immune system. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that protects your cells against free radical damage. It also helps to reduce inflammation in the body and supports healthy blood vessels. Next, we have the finger lime. As I mentioned earlier, finger limes are full of antioxidants and they also have antimicrobial properties. Antioxidants help to protect your cells against free radical damage, while antimicrobial properties help to fight off infections. The Davidson plum helps to support the good bacteria in your gut, which, as I mentioned earlier, plays a big role in your immune system. When you eat the Davidson plum, the fiber from the fruit passes through your digestive system and reaches your large intestine. There it is, fermented by the good bacteria, and this helps to keep them healthy and happy. A healthy gut microbiome means a stronger immune system. Kwandong is a fruit that is packed full of antioxidants and vitamins that help to strengthen the immune system. The antioxidants in kwandong help to protect your cells against free radical damage, while the vitamins support healthy immune function. Macadamia nuts are a great source of healthy fats, which help to strengthen the cell membranes in your body. This is important for your immune system, because it means that your immune cells can send messages to each other and coordinate an effective response against invaders like bacteria and viruses. Healthy fats from macadamia also help to regulate inflammation in the body, which is important for a well-functioning immune system. Berries are a great source of antioxidants, which help to protect your cells against free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and lead to inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process that helps to fight off infection, but chronic inflammation can weaken your immune system. So by protecting your cells against free radical damage, berries help to keep your immune system strong. Spinach and kale are two of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens available. They're packed full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support a healthy immune system. Vitamin D, calcium, and magnesium are just a few of the nutrients that help to strengthen your bones and teeth, while potassium and folate support healthy blood pressure and cell function. Finally, we have raw honey. Raw honey is a natural sweetener that comes straight from the hive. It's unheated and unfiltered, which means that it retains all its natural enzymes, minerals, and raw honey is a great alternative to refined sugar, and it can actually help to support your immune system. One of the main components of raw honey is something called hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an antiseptic that helps to kill bacteria and other microorganisms. This is why raw honey is often used to treat minor cuts and scratches. Raw honey also contains a variety of other compounds that have been shown to boost the immune system. Okay, that's a wrap. If you're looking for an easy way to boost your immune system, then look no further than this delicious Australian immune shake, packed with native fruits and greens. This shake is full of Just remember to store your native fruits properly so you can enjoy the benefits all year round. Now, if you're looking for a guide to help you on your health and wellness journey, then check out our website. You'll find a range of programs and resources to help you achieve your goals. And remember, it's always a good time to prioritize your health. So take the first step today and start living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching.